Can you tell me a story?
One more. There was a little scary big monster. He's coming. He's a mean one. He's gonna scare us. Hey!
Where'd he go?
He's all here.
Yeah?
Hi.
Oh, let's hide. Let's hide.
Okay, I think he's gone.
He's all here.
What's the monster's name?
Klinger the miner.
Klinger the monster?
And he is not now.
What else is the story about?
About 1, 3 scary monster again. And he's nice.
Oh.
And he's like, here.
He's right there in your hand?
He's nice. And he lays with me right here.
Oh.
He lays with me right. Can you see this?
Is he sleeping?
I don't see that. And put the covers on and blanket on.
Oh.
Have to put covers on and blanket on me too.
Good night, Olivia and Dream. Is that the end of the story?
But after we're done with the story. 1, 2, 3. The dark. It's scary. Dark. It's coming. He is a boy dog. It's scary. Hi. Everyone hide. 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 Everyone hide.
Oh.
Oh, hide.
Okay.
I'm hiding.
And here.
Yeah, the dog left.